Hello everyone and welcome to Cook It Easy. In this video, we'll be making delicious homemade bread that is super easy to prepare. Let's get started. Place the flour in a large bowl and add the crumbled fresh yeast in the center. Mix well. Now, slowly add 500 milliliters of water while kneading the dough. Continue kneading for about 10 minutes. Dissolve the salt and sugar in the remaining 150 milliliters of water and add this mixture to the dough. When the flour is completely absorbed, add the olive oil and keep kneading until the dough becomes smooth and homogeneous. Once the oil is fully incorporated, cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, fold the dough a few times and let it rise for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Now it's time to shape the bread. I recommend dividing it into 2 loaves of your preferred shape. Let them rise for another hour. Before baking, make some cuts on the loaves to prevent uneven expansion. Finally, place a metal container with water at the bottom of the oven, preheat to 250 degrees Celsius, 480 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake the bread for 10 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, lower the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for another 30 minutes. Your bread is now ready to be taken out of the oven. Cover it with a damp cloth for about 15 minutes. After this short rest, it's ready to enjoy with family or friends. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple and tasty ideas. See you in the next recipe.